everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. For today's video, I'm going to be making a keto spice cake with cream cheese frosting because I'm on the keto diet currently and there's a lot of good options and I have a sweet tooth, so I'm going to be making another dessert for you guys since you like my bake with me video. And I'm going to be doing a review of the Kitchenaid classic stand mixer. So yeah, let's get into the video. So what you'll need to make this keto spice cake are 2.5 cups of blanched almond flour, a 1/3 cup of sweetener, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of allspice, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This is the Kitchenaid Classic Stand Mixer. I used it in my first baking video and it comes in black and white. On this right side there's an option to lock down the top of the mixer when you're mixing. And on this left side, there are power options from 2 to 10, depending on how high your ingredients need to be mixed. And here are the 3 attachments, the whisk, hook, and paddle. And it's a really great mixer. So the first thing you want to do is grease your 8x8 baking dish with some oil. I use vegetable oil. Next, you need to preheat your oven to 310 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 154 degrees Celsius. Now in your mixer on high power, you want to incorporate your butter, sweetener, vanilla, cream cheese, and eggs until they are smooth. And here I'm just mixing everything together. In a large mixing bowl, you want to add your cinnamon, almond flour, baking soda, salt, allspice, nutmeg, and ground cloves. Now you want to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and mix them until they are fully incorporated. Now that everything is fully incorporated, you want to put your mixture into your baking dish and spread it evenly. you want to put the cake into the oven. Now you want to let the cake bake for 30 minutes. To make the cream cheese frosting, you'll need some powdered sugar replacement, 4 tablespoons of that, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is a disclaimer, but I put the wrong amounts of confectioner's sugar and heavy cream. It's supposed to be 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. Now you want to add your cream cheese, heavy cream, and confectioner's sugar into your mixer and mix that for 1 to 2 minutes or until completely smooth. Here I'm just mixing everything together, but even though I put the wrong measurements, the frosting still turned out great. After some time in the freezer, the cake is done, and now I'm going to ice it. Alright everyone, so I have my sisters here. I have Carrie and Chloe, you know. Hi. And this is the finished cake product. I don't want to drop it on the ground, but you know. Here it is. Thank you, Carrie. Be careful.
I know.
Okay, there it is.
Ugh,
it is delicious. Thank you so much. It's a it is a keto spice cake, so it doesn't have any sugar.
No sugar.
It's just fake sugar, you know.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
It's like keto.
Yeah.
It tastes like your cheese is yummy.
But even if it tastes like sugar, that's good because I mean you don't need sugar.
Right, right. You know what I mean? Right. Okay, so I'm gonna give some pieces.
The keto diet is basically high fat, low carb diet, which means like you can eat the fat on your chicken. Which I don't like.
What?
I don't like the fat on my chicken. I cut that fat.
It
takes me a long time, but I still do it.
Right, I'm just cut you pieces because you're just gonna go on and on.
Right, just cut me a piece.
Like
you talk all day.
Right, Carrie taking forever to talk, you know. She wouldn't be.
Let me get a piece off the cake. That's not mine. Give it to Chloe.
No, this is you're not getting no giant.
I'm gonna have my spoon.
I'm putting it on
a giant piece.
On the what is it called? I was about to say.
I had a spoon ready, but Chris's being rude, so.
What? What am I being rude about?
You could just let me scoop my own piece.
Kara, please.
This is my piece.
I'm the creator, okay? So
it's so small.
We have to hurry because I literally have 17%. Okay.
Wait, Chloe, want to have a try together?
Hurry up.
Wait for Chloe. Hurry up, cut Chloe's piece. You're the one with Chloe. Hurry up.
Okay, go ahead. Take it.
Ready? Cheers.
Wait till I'm get a piece now since y'all being rude.
Okay.
I look at the chicken.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
So hold on. I will say it was very easy to cut. It's very easy to cut.
Okay, that's the only good thing so far.
Right here.
Okay, ready?
Alright. Be like
It is not sweet at all. Literally, when I say it's not sweet, I'm not like saying it's not sweet. Just say it's not sweet. Like it's not. Honestly, no fact it really has no flavor to me.
oh, I mean it's not.
The cream cheese icing is good.
Yeah, be careful before you fall.
Yeah,
the icing is good.
No sugar.
And this, I think this is good. It's just the fact that we use fake sugar, like the keto sugar is not. It's not.
Keto sugar is natural sugar. It's
excuse me. Can I
straight
talk
from the
for 1
ground.
second? Like goodness. But yeah, it's really. To me, it's good, but it's like it's keto good, you know. It's not like regular standards good, you know. Regular standards, this probably be about like
probably really bad.
Like a 3 out of 10, you know.
Like a 3 out of 10, you know.
But it's
But
good.
yeah, the keto sugar is natural sugar, like from the ground. So
I got it.
if you ever know what
Wow.
natural sugar tastes like, it's bland. It's
I
nasty.
have this one. I give
It literally is not sweet at all. It just tastes like.
I give it a.
I'm so offended by you saying that, Chloe. I'm so offended. Why are you doing all that extra?
It's
Why?
like pumpkin pie.
Okay, pumpkin pie is good.
No,
I thought it said
without
pumpkin.
sugar.
But you still eating it like, don't like the frosted on, eat the whole thing together. And you're not wasting that.
She said pumpkin.
This is
not
gonna be
pumpkin.
my, my,
Pumpkin.
what is it? Not.
Is it pumpkin or pumpkin?
Stop shaking it. Stop.
Alright.
This is gonna be like my keto snack. Stop.
I'm showing
You're
them
being
the
annoying.
egg. No. Stop being annoying.
This is going to be my keto snack because it doesn't have any sugar in it. It's pretty much like cream cheese and bagel
Somebody
bread.
can eat that.
Eat it, Chloe. Don't waste my stuff.
I like it.
Don't be
You done
dirty.
licked it off. Eat it. Don't put it
Ew.
on. Why would you put it on the counter?
Now I can eat it.
All right, this is good. You know, bye. This is a mistake. Have my sisters in here. I'm cutting this
That's the
out, whatever,
rudest
bye.
thing ever.
Chloe, don't throw it away. That's so disrespectful.
I like it.
I'm so offended by
It
you
was a
doing it.
mistake for me to read the video, so we would waste my for me to waste my time and come to the video when I have more important things to do. So yeah, bye YouTube people. I don't want to even see you guys anymore because Christa's. Oh hi Teddy, because Christa's the one being rude. So I think that you guys should all you guys should unsubscribe to her channel and post some mean things in the comments.
Well, I have one sister that thought it was okay.
No, I didn't think it was good. I thought it was nasty.
Okay,
I like
okay.
the icing. Wait, I'm gonna bring Teddy over here. I'll be back.
Okay, okay. And then to Chloe, it was just plain horrible, which is really disrespectful. Like, that really hurt my feelings. And she threw it away, which is really offensive to me. Why did you say hi?
Hey guys. So this is our little puppy Tetterbug. Tetterbug, say hi.
I know you guys already
All
did
right,
that.
Kara, we done. We done.
You just
Bye.
want to.
I don't like it.
You want to say
Bye.
bye?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I would recommend this cake to someone who doesn't really have a sweet tooth and who's going on a keto diet. But if you're not, then it's like, it's iffy. Because it's not sweet. It's called a cake, but it's not sweet. So it's more of like a bread with cream cheese frosting on it. So yeah, if you like cake, if you like bread with cheese on it, it's like a bagel actually. That's what it tastes like to me. It actually tastes like a bagel. So I will be having this for a snack during our keto diet. So it's really, to me, it's good. Like for keto, it's good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram, which is at Christa's Fits and Styles by Christa, and follow Kara's Instagram, which is at, I don't remember. Subscribe to Chloe's YouTube channel, which is at Just Chloe. I forgot to put it in the other description of my last video, but I will remember this time. So I will have it in the description for you to go check out and subscribe. She's gonna have some new videos going there. And yeah, we'll see you next Saturday.